Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna practice our speaking skills by asking and answering some common questions. Keep watching to learn more. First question, how are you? When someone asks you how are you, please don't say, I'm fine, thank you, and you. Say something more natural like, how are you? Good, great, I'm good, how are you? Something like that is much better than saying, I'm fine, thank you, and you. This will also help you sound a bit more genuine. Second question, how long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English? Your answer should be, I've been studying English for plus a year or months or weeks. I've been studying English for 12 years. I've been studying English for 1 week. I've been studying English for 3 months. But if that's too much for you, you can just pick the time. How long have you been studying English? 3 months, 6 years, 1 week. So just pick the time if the whole sentence is quite long for you. Third question, how old are you? Americans don't really go around asking people how old they are, like just the first time they meet necessarily, especially when they are older or much older than you. It's sometimes considered rude to ask, especially asking women how old they are, so just be careful with this question. But if you're about the same age group, like maybe you're at an event, at a party, or somewhere else and you just want to check how old the other person is, then you can use this phrase. To answer to this question, just use I'm plus the number. How old are you? I'm 15, I'm 20, I'm 28, I'm 30. Whatever your answer is, just use I'm or I am, but use a contracted form to make it sound more natural. I'm 27, I'm 30, I'm 10. Now, if you want to make a full sentence, you can say I'm plus number, then years old. I'm 15 years old. I'm 20 years old. I'm 28 years old. I'm 40 years old. Just don't forget the S in years. I'm 27 years old. I'm 35 years old. Next question. What did you say? What did you say? If you couldn't quite hear something that someone else said, you can use this question to confirm. I'm sorry, what did you say? It is more polite than just saying what, or you can also say, I'm sorry, what was that? I'm sorry, what did you say? Next question, what's this? When you don't know what something is, you ask this question. Like when you're out somewhere and you see something that is new to you, or you're just curious about something, you ask, what's this? To answer this question, we say, it's plus whatever it is. It's a jar. It's traditional food in our country. It's a kind of craft. Number 6, what's your name? Of course, you should know how to ask this question and answer this question at the same time. What's your name is a little more natural than saying, what is your name? Again, the contracted form will help you sound much more natural. So, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? When someone asks you this question, you can answer it by just giving your name. What's your name? Mary. What's your name? Joseph. You can also say, I'm Mary. I'm Joseph. That's fine too. You can also say, my name is Mary or my name's Mary. In a more formal or business situation, I would use, my name is Mary. Then I shake hands. My name is Joseph. Number 7, where are you from? This can refer to your country or your city. It depends on whom you're talking to. If you're talking to someone who lives in the same country as you can use your city. I'm from Manila. I'm from Los Angeles. Now, when you're talking to someone from a different country, like when you're talking online, you can use your country. Example, I'm from the Philippines. I'm from the US. I'm from Japan. This also applies to the question, where do you live? I live in the country. I live in the Philippines. I live in Plus City. I live in Los Angeles. I live in Tokyo. I live in Manila. Number 8. Where do you work? Where do you work is talking about your job. To answer this question, just use this pattern. I work at plus the name of your company. I work at XYZ company. You can also say, I work for, then the name of the company. I work for XYZ company. But you know, if you answer this with the wrong information, the other person will just ask you, where is your office? Then you can answer, it's then the city. It's in this city. It's on this road. Or it's at this building. And number 9, where is the bathroom? This is a very important question. Where is the bathroom? In American English, where is the bathroom or where is the restroom is more common than where is the toilet. Using the word toilet is a bit too direct in American English, so I recommend just use restroom or bathroom. Where is the bathroom? Where is the restroom? That's all for today, guys. Please practice these questions to improve your speaking skills. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!